Hello Prime Coders, welcome back to Prime Coding channel. So recently, most of the students been through this particular Infosys System Engineer online assessment, as well as most of the people are done with the interview. If you are still in the interview phase, do let me know in the comment section. Yes sir, on this particular date, we have a system engineer interview or your OA dates. Okay, but yes, most of you are done with this particular exam and also done with the interview. Now they might ask, Aditya, how much salary I can expect each month? Because as we can see here, the salary is just 3.6 LPA, which is fine for a fresher to kickstart his or her IT journey. But in 3.6 LPA, most of the people think as the salary is very less, the package is very less, they won't be cut down a lot of chunk of it. But it is not the case. There are many cutoffs that I will tell you in this particular video. And yes, in the beginning itself, I am telling you is whatever information that I can get from my side, because these salary things, all of these stuffs are totally confidential. So around that you can expect. If I'm telling you X amount, so X minus 3 or X minus 4, so 3-4 difference could be there. But yes, I have tried my best to give you the best quality source so that you can expect the salary range around. So without wasting time, let's hop to the particular chart, which is a salary slip. As I can't show the salary slip, but I wrote all the basic part which you should know. Okay, so let's start with the basic pay, which is 15,000 will be given to you as a basic pay per month fixed. Okay, now house rent allowance, which is given to you as 1791. House rent allowance is 1791 will be given by Infosys. Now we have a medical allowances, so that 1120 rupees is given to you for medical. Let's say you fell sick, so definitely you can use this amount to cure yourself. Leave travel allowances, which is around 1120, and transport allowances. Let's say you take bus and everything, which would be added into your salary, and it would be 447 rupees straight. Bonus, advance permitted. Okay, so this kind of thing is there in Infosys. So yeah, it is about 2850, which is among all of the pay bases, it is so high, isn't it? And TPI incentive, which is something program in the Infosys, so they are giving you 1250 rupees. So the net total of that amount, if you accumulate all of the compensations, you will be having 23,578. So is that your final case? Is that your final? Because I know most of the people might have did 3.6 divided by 12, and they might have getting like 30 to 31k per month salary. No, it is not the case. Or it might be 29, 30, 31k, so around that. So but it is not the case. The tentative salary is 23,578, but it is not the final one. More chunks should be deducted. And what are they? So the chunks are PF contribution, which is provident fund. It is for you only, that you can claim if you are leaving the company, but you can't claim till you're like 50 60s. Okay, but what actually happen here is PF is transferable to the next opportunity which you are joining. Let's say you join Infosys, you work for 2 years, and now you want to shift to the next company, so you can transfer your PF to this particular company, to this company, so that that company will definitely deduct the particular PF amount and would be added in your current PF. Okay, so 1800 rupees is straight would be deducted from the salary. Okay, company will not give you, company will also contribute something from their side, but 1800 from your side also would be taken care of. So yes, from the 23,000, 1800 should be deducted. Professional tax is everyone need to pay, whether it is on every position, 200 rupees you need to give as a professional tax. Now LWF contribution, this is something in Infosys which you need to give as 2 rupees, as well as the Infosys Welfare Trust. As Infosys has a lot of trust going on, so from your side, Infosys will take 250 rupees from your salary. So in total, the deduction would be of 2,252 rupees. These would be deducted from your total compensation, which we just now saw, that all basic compensation. So the total in hand salary would be 23,558 was the net that we calculated by adding all the compensation. And after that, your professional task or all the deduction constraints are being deducted. So 21,326 would be your final. Is that final? is there are more reduction or what actually gonna be. Okay, so it would be around, now it can be ranging from 20K to uh, I will tell you more, but will see that according to the current trends that I can find out, your current salary would raise definitely around 21,326. In the minimum case, 20,000 would be there in your pocket. Now, salary based on training performance. Now, this chunk I found, as this chunk was like later, it is not latest update, but yes, 2 years back or 1 year back, they would be following this particular chunk. So, let me tell you, if you have this, so if you get joined or you know someone who is joined as a system engineer, do comment down below whether this chunk is still available or not. Okay, but I think if it is there on the internet, so you should know about this. So let's speak about it. So salary based on training performance. Now Infosys has a comprehensive training program that you need to go through and pass the total number of assessment as well as give your best in the performance. Then only they will be allocating you project. Otherwise, you keep on giving the assessment and you are in the training period. Okay. So the top performer. There are multiple top performer in a batch, isn't it? Like me, above 92% if you had. Okay, so if you are top performer and above 92% you have scored in all of the cumulative assessment marks, then 25,000 would be your salary. Around that, okay, 24, 25, 26, it could be around that. On top of it, bonus will be given to you, which will be more than 20,000. Okay, if you are a top performer. And let's say there are some mediocre people as well, which are high performer, is 80 to 92%. These people are the high performer, they will get 25,000 salary, which is like 21, 22 would be the bare minimum which you will get, which we saw just now, which is the bare minimum. But 25,000 would be given to you, like if they will just remove that thing and your salary compensation would be rearranged according to your performance. Now 25, 26, 24 would be around that only. Okay, so the difference between top performer and the high performer could be bonus is removed from the top performer, and in the high performer bonus is not there. Okay, so yes, above average, which is less than 80%. Okay, so above average people get 22 as a total compensation, and the minimum possible you will get as 20 or 21K here and there would be there. Okay, so again I would tell you, I am not sure about this particular thing which is currently going on or not, but yes, this was there 2 years back or 1 year back, so you should know that. Okay, this was the previous thing. Now what thing that they are giving to you, which is the next part to be discussed. Okay, so now it may be you are going through any of the interview or you want to get practice. Okay, I'm not telling you to take it. This is upon you. This is for you. If you want to, you can. If you don't want to, it is upon you. But yes, one-to-one mock interview will happening, because I don't think so courses would happening. Course will help you out. No, everything is available on the internet, because the people whom I took a mock interview personally, they always say everything is available on the internet. Every content creator is providing all the stuff for free on the internet. So why don't you consume it? Now, these companies also not required it. Okay, because it's my personal experience. This thing can easily be solved by yourself. Like you can see the door right analytic question. It was so easy to solve. So one-to-one mock interview will help you out in multiple ways. We'll see. We'll ask you all of your resume questions. We have experts which are working in the company which will take your interviews. So all resume question will be taken care of. Subject related to question will be taken care of. HR question will be taken care of. Resume review 2x. First in your mock interview, another would be the quick review, so that we can tell you whether still you need any improvement or not, because we have told once, again we'll be giving you more than 60 to 90 minutes of session, more than 60 to 90 minutes of session. Until unless we have not checked you thoroughly, we won't leave you. Mentoring, guidance, doubt solving, and much more will be given to you after your mock interview. 4.6 rating with tons of success rate. Please watch my previous video. I show all the screenshots with great feedbacks written. Advantage of this mock interview would be confidence will be high, because you would be nervous, or it might be you are overconfident. So if you're able to pass this mock interview, which is totally on the industry level, then definitely you will be stepping inside the company right after this, because it's totally genuine that if you're able to answer, if you're able to speak well, then no one can remove you until unless your luck is totally bad. Okay, so now this is from my side. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not. Like this video, share with your friends so that your friend can also get to know about Infosys system engineer enhanced salary. Okay, so we'll meet you with a new video soon.